Cleans it better.
Great question. It's two vacuum cleaners. I do not know. They're both the same thing. Just wait until one of them gets like metal and one of them gets like milk.
Spicy ramen.
Spicy ramen. There's an X on one of the vacuum cleaners. What did it do wrong? I see all the ramen picked up, but I guess there's just a little bit of remains. I hate my damn dynamic face, by the way. Ignore that. Okay.
Hair.
You took hair from a human to make a video.
A.
Nah, really, what did you expect? They're both vacuum cleaners. Nah, why did you do a sky drop? You literally missed the egg, the other person. What's that gonna do? Some of them have leftover beans, but the one that has more beans left gets the egg.
Cheese whiz.
Alright, so I don't even know what Cheese Whiz is, but for some reason they're just gonna say one person. They're just gonna say the person with one little leftover cheese got the X. It's like
Used cat litter?
used cat litter. What are we gonna do at this point? Gatorade wrappers?
Shaving cream.
There's no build. No way. No way.
Magic foam.
Thought your magic foam was supposed to be an easy foam that cleaned. You're not helping your business right here.
Gunpowder?
Gunpowder. You got gunpowder for a video. You got what? Gunpowder for a video. And also that last frame subscribe. No, I'm not done. Right. Oh, yay, I'm not subscribed. Can I, not recommend this channel?